Okay, you know I'm not a professional blogger. I'm not a professional photographer, but I wanted to invite you in to my messy bathroom to share with you these fabulous new Chromafusion eyeshadows, cheek colors, etc. So here I am bearing the 60-year-old naked face in front of you so you can see how to use these products and how fabulous they are. So I'm going to just let you follow along. I'm going to tell you what I do as I go through. And I'll try to tell you the colors, but you know what? They're so new. I just want you to get so excited about them, and you can order them today. Today you can order them. So, okay, I'm going to begin. Oh, drop my brushes. I'm going to begin with our cream brush. Those of you that know when I teach, I love applying with this cream brush. I know it says a cream brush, but I like to apply my shadows. First of all, isn't this the most fabulous palette? You feel so wonderfully professional. I'm going to start with Biscotti, which is a great cream white. And I like to press. So I'm going to just start with that as a base underneath on my eyes. And then I think I'm going to use a little, I'm feeling fall. I'm going to use next maybe a little of the Gold Status, which is right here. Now, I know many times we're told that over a certain age, 40 or something like that, you're not supposed to wear shimmer. Well, I'm going to wear shimmer. And I'm a couple decades over 40. That's scary to say. Okay. So I'm just going to tap that right in there. And now I'm going to build a crease. I absolutely love our crease brush. Remember, it's that angled brush, and I think I'm going to actually start with, I've got to look up the color. I'm going to start with Dusty Rose, which is this color over here. This is a matte. Now, this is one thing that I do like when you're a little bit more interesting, like me. You want to always use mattes up in this area. So I want to start creating a crease. I have a well-deserved hooded eye. So I want to start building a crease with just a soft pink color. And then I'm going to go to, oh my, where is it? I think it's Heather Rose. Heather something. Why do I not see it on here? But it's this one right here. This beautiful Heather color. It is another beautiful matte. Now I'm going to saturate. And did you notice how I spread it with my brush, my angled brush up like this? Now I'm going flat and I'm going to start working that into the crease. To start creating a little bit more of a crease. This is just a little bit deeper. The Heather is just a little bit deeper, a little browner than the Rose. So I can start building a crease. Then I can flip the brush back around to that angle and just nicely blend it together. Okay? Now, I'm going to stop there and I'm going to go and I'm going to actually, this is the only brush I cannot give up. If you do not have the Smudge Brush, this is our previous Smudge Brush. If you don't have one, I think they're still on closeout. I would get yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I think that they're wonderful. And I'm just going to take some of the onyx and I'm going to just stick it into my lashes because I am not going to put on eyeliner today. I'm just going to wear these shadows. Now that is one trick also. If you're a little bit over, or a little bit more interesting, using shadow for liner is a little bit softer around the eyes. So I'm just going to tuck some of that in there for now. And the other thing that I like to do with this is I like to almost start creating my fence so I can blend my smudge color into that. So, don't you guys love how you can do one eye better than the other? Okay, now I'm going to go to our new smudge brush, and I'm going to pick up Merlot. I am in love with Merlot. Merlot is a deep burgundy. It's fall. Oh, you know what? Just because, you know, I love eye-popping colors, and we have this new, I think it's Lucky Penny, which is this copper tone. I'm just going to create a little bit more fun on my eyes by popping a little bit of that color right into that gold status. Okay, so now I'm going to take my burgundy and I'm going to work it into this outside corner. See? With this smudge brush, and then I'm just going to gently blend. Blend that into the crease. Now, if you're an aggressive blender, hold your brush down at the end and blend this way, because then you can't blend aggressively. Now, I learned a long time ago to stop blending aggressively. Okay. You know what? Looking, I think I really like that Lucky Penny in there. I think I'm going to put some more in there. Again, it's fall. The leaves are changing to the reds, the coppers. Ooh, I think I like that. I think I like that. Okay, so what I love about these colors are saturated with color. They're life proof. I'm putting on my lash primer right now. They're life proof. They stay on. They blend beautifully. This is Lash Love. Oh, you guys are gonna laugh when you watch me put my mascara on because I like them all. Oh, maybe I won't put them on, all of them on for you. I can do that when we get finished. And I'll post the last question, or I mean the final thing. Okay. Now, mascara down there. Oh, you know what? If you do that, this is how I clean it up. Little under eye concealer. Brush it out. Okay, now I have to talk about the cheek line because I'm so in love with the cheek line. First of all, all these beautiful colors. But if you know me, you know I love contouring. So we have this new contouring and highlighting set right here. I am going to take this contour. I could look up the name, but you can look up the name. Okay, I'm going to take the contour on my blush brush. This is why this brush is the only brush on the market like this. This is genius because it's angled and we can go in and we can push it. And so you can set your contour right where you want to set it. And then just go in and blend it in. Okay, now I'm going to go to highlighter. Again, put it on my brush. I'm going to press it up into my cheek area. And then I'm going to put my cheek color on. I'm just going to do a rosies color. And then I'm going to brush it all out and blend it together with translucent powder. I think translucent powder is so wonderful. And so many times, if you are a little bit older, you can't use powder because it accentuates all your fine lines. But this one does not. Okay, I have to at least do another coat of mascara because, you know. So now this is our Lash Intensity. And I like to give my lashes length. Maybe if I look in the mirror, that'll be better. Yeah. Why do we make funny faces, open our mouth while we're doing our mascara or our liner? Do you know why? Because it steadies our eye. There's actually a purpose to it. Did you know that? So there's a reason why you make funny faces. Okay, so let me finish my lips and I'll snap a picture and I'll put the picture up there with it. But are these colors not stunningly gorgeous? I know you can't wait to get them.